Okay, investors, so welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're talking about Astro Aerospace. So the ticker symbol is ASDN. So this is a research and development company that's focused on the creation of aerial drones, which is used to carry passengers and also cargo. So in this video, I'm going to get into what the company does and also the potential in this company. So if you like this video, then don't forget to smash the like button. And also subscribe down below to support the channel. And also my free Discord is linked down below. So join the free Discord for early buying opportunity. And also, as always, this is a sponsored video. So I always let you know when it's a sponsored video, so I'll always be transparent. So this is just me giving an overview and a review about this company, so my honest overview. So yeah guys, let's get into this video. So first of all, I'm just going to give a quick overview about the company. So the company is called Astro Aerospace. So this is a drone company, a technology company, and the OTC ticker symbol is ASD. And at the time of recording this video, the stock is sitting at $2.62. But yeah guys, so first of all, let's get into what the company actually does. So Astro Aerospace Limited is a research and development company focused on the creation of aerial drones for use in carrying passengers and also cargoes. So it's engaged in the designing and manufacturing and integration of space deployable products. So its products include Astro Mass, Astro Mesh reflectors, foldable composite antennas, solar arrays, deep thrust support structure, hinges, and also telescopic tube structures. So this company intends to supply products to various industries, which includes government, military, and also for private use. So its mission is to make self-flying, unmanned, and also manned vehicle available to anyone at any time from anywhere. So eventually turning this aircraft into a mainstream mode of transport. So instead of flying cars, you have flying aerospace. So that's the company's mission, to make flying a mainstream mode of transport. So this company already has a fully functioning prototype model, making it the first or the only public company that has a fully functioning technology in a working full-scale prototype. So I'm actually going to play a short 1-minute video which shows off the prototype. So it's only a 1-minute video, so watch to see the exciting technology. So as you can see from the video, so the prototype is fully functioning and also working. So this particular one can go as fast as 70 kilometers per hour and also has a flight time of 25 minutes. And on top of this, Astro Aerospace believes that the new aerospace technology offers significant advantages over current aircraft. So this includes a lower operating cost, also a reduced noise footprint, and also an increased safety and also lower carbon emission, which is very important, especially in the time we're in, whereby we're moving towards a lower carbon emission and reducing our carbon footprint. So yeah guys, so Astro Aerospace also has a full-scale Caveat X5, which is designed to reduce hydrocarbon emission and also designed to operate in poor weathers, and also allows for easy flying for low-time pilots, and also is expected to travel up to an estimated 450 kilometers per hour with a 500 kilometer range, which is insane. So also the company has a patent on their fan wing technology, which allows the Caveat X5 to be the world's first eVTOL, which can fly most of its mission precisely like a normal aircraft. So yeah guys, so now let's get into the potential in the sector that the company is in. So by 2025, the market could be worth up to 458 million with a CAGR of approximately 29.6%. And by 2033, analysts at Research Dive estimates that the market could be worth up to 4.22 billion. So this company is clearly in a growing space, which is very important. And also on top of this, the company says to have an addressable market of $1.5 trillion, which is insane. Therefore, this can potentially be a good long-term investment. And also it said that the eVTOL growth could take flight with a growing global urban population. So according to the United Nations in 2018, around 55% of the world population lived in an urban area, and is expected to increase to 68% by 2050. Therefore, there's a demand for efficient and also effective mobility in urban areas, which is a crucial challenge, and this is where this company comes in. And also this is where the technology and the drones come in. And also Morgan Stanley said that investment in autonomous flying aircraft is accelerating, with implications for the future of passenger travel, military and also defense application. So he clearly recognizes the potential and also the future of flying aircraft, and hence the increased investment into these kind of companies. It's like investing in EV companies or investing in Teslas a few years back before it takes off. So you want to get in whilst it's cheap, not when it gains hype and the price skyrockets to a huge amount. So yeah guys, so now let's get into some recent news regarding the company. So news came out 3 weeks ago that Astra Aerospace is to acquire Horizon Aircraft in aims to meet their mission of making self-flying vehicle a main mode of transport. So this acquisition is very important for the company, and I believe it can also push the growth of this company. So yeah guys, so now let's get into the stock price, so the stock action over the past few months. So first, let's take a look at the past 6 months. So 6 months ago, the stock was sitting at 0.65, so 65 cents. So if you invested back then you'd be up 4 times your investment. And also we saw highs of above $7 towards the end of February, and since then, over the past few months, the stock has been on a steady decline along with the rest of the market. So on the month's chart, it's down a little, but if you look at the chart, you can see there's definitely support in this $2 cost range, which potentially could be a nice place to start building your position. So you want to get this whilst it's cheap, not whilst it's going up. And now the stock is down, this could be a good opportunity to get in early, and this could potentially be a good long-term hold. But yeah guys, as always, don't forget to do your own research, which is very important. So do your own research and do your own due diligence. So I will leave a link down below to the company so you can do further research into this company. But yeah guys, as always, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like the video and also subscribe down below to support the channel. And also my free Discord is linked down below, so join the free Discord for early buying opportunity. But yeah guys, so this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you.